Deciphering bumpers in English. Hello learners! Today, we're going to dive deep into the word bumpers. Now, you might be thinking, isn't that something related to cars? Well, you're not wrong, but bumpers can mean so much more in English. Let's unpack this together, and as always, remember to pay attention to the bolded phrases for key points. When most people hear the term bumpers, the first thing that comes to mind is the front and rear parts of a car. They are designed to protect the car and its passengers from minor impacts. So, in a literal sense, bumpers are protective barriers. In the world of broadcasting, bumpers have a different meaning. A bumper in this context refers to a short transitional video or audio clip used to introduce a show or to segue between parts of a show and commercial breaks. For example, you might see or hear a catchy tune with the show's logo before it begins. That's a bumper. Heading to a bowling alley? If you're a beginner, you might use bumpers. In bowling, bumpers are raised barriers that prevent the ball from going into the gutters, ensuring it stays on the lane. It gives novice players a chance to learn without getting discouraged by too many gutter balls. Outside of these specific contexts, bumpers can sometimes be used more generally to describe anything large, cushioned, or protective. For instance, if someone refers to a bumper crowd, they mean a very large crowd. So, there you have it. The word bumpers isn't just about cars. It's a versatile term that can be used in various contexts. English is full of such words, and understanding their different meanings can truly enrich your vocabulary. We hope this video clarified the term bumpers for you. Stay curious and keep learning.